Wanna know how to check if a number is a perfect number in Java? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, let's understand what a perfect number is. A perfect number is a number that equals the sum of all its proper divisors. So, proper divisors mean the positive divisors of a number excluding the number itself. For example, 28 is a perfect number because its divisors are 1, 2, 4, 7 and 14, and if you add them up you get 28 itself. So in this code we have started by taking a number, so we have taken int and that is 28, and then we loop from 1 all the way to and divide by 2. So right here you can see we have used the for loop all the way to and divide by 2, because no divisors other than half of the number itself can be greater than half of it. Whenever n modulus I equals to 0, which we have used in an if statement, that means I is a divisor and we add it into a running sum. So if it does, it's a perfect number, otherwise it's not. This is a classic number theory problem and a great way to practice divisor in Java. And that's it, super simple and easy. You can see the result as well. So the answer would be a perfect number. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.